A fisherman yanks a fish vertically out of the water with an acceleration of 2.5 meters per second square using very light fishing line that has a breaking strength of 22 newtons. The fisherman unfortunately loses the fish as the line snaps. What can you say about the mass of the fish? So the fisherman is pulling the fish from the water, so it is in the y direction. Therefore, let us write the net force along the y direction. Sigma Fy is equal to Fn minus Fg is equal to Ma is the force equation. Here, Fn is equal to mg plus ma because the fish is accelerating upwards. Therefore, I took plus acceleration. And then Fg is equal to mg and Fn is given as 22 newtons. Acceleration is given as 2.5 meters per second square. Substituting the values in this equation, Fn is equal to mg plus ma, we get m is equal to 1.79 kilograms. This is the answer for this question. Okay. Hope this helps. Thank you. Bye-bye.